Good morning, everybody. Jim, Dugan Stuff and Things. We'll make a couple shout outs real quick here because I want them to check this video out. HTEDC is going to love this. Big Jim with the Barlow Brigade is going to love this. Deep South Cutlery. Deep South Cutlery is who I got it from. So with that, let's open it. I've been waiting for this patiently. And apparently it got here Thursday. Today's Saturday. And of course, my wife just sticks it up on the place where she sticks all my packages. So my bad for not checking. But let's see what we got here. I think you guys are going to be real interested. Look at this. Oh, that box is big. I want y'all to look at that right there. Let's take this all in. Let's see here. This is a very old box, apparently. Got a rubber band on it. I'm going to just cut that because I don't need the rubber band. Well, there she goes. Let's see what the front of the box looks like. It says case tested. WR Case and Son Cutlery, Bradford, PA, and that's the amount I paid for it, $200. Let's see what else we could find out, if there's any other writing on it. There's this that says number CT1072, which I don't know what all that means. So the box apparently is very old, right? I don't want y'all to see it quite yet. Oh my goodness, y'all might be seeing something. Oh my gosh, it's prettier than I thought it was going to be. Oh my goodness gracious, oh Lord. Man, y'all just look at that. Don't y'all like that? Whoo! That's prettier in person, for sure. She's dead center. This is apparently new old stock. It is a clasp knife. Oh my goodness, and she is tight. Whoa, my goodness gracious, it's a slip joint. My goodness gracious, she's tight. Oh. Let me see if I can see the tang stamp on here. I can't do it with my bare eyes. Goodness gracious, I can't even get it all in there. It's case. Alexa, turn off studio lights.
Okay.
That'll give you guys maybe a better view. Let's move this up and see if we can get more into it. That's as high as I can go. So it's got case regular bold typing. Tested underneath with the X's. And I'm not sure, will there be any dots? I don't know that there's dots on that or not. And I'm not versed enough, well enough to know one way or the other. Well, let me turn this off. Alexa, turn on studio lights.
Okay.
I don't know that there will be dots or there's supposed to be dots or not. What year do y'all think that is? Let me go look at my handy dandy chart. It's on the computer, sorry. Alright guys, I'm just ignorant. I don't have any idea. I can't see if there's any X's or dots underneath, or there's even supposed to be. Well, look at that back spring. Holy cow. This knife is just incredible. It's called a Clasp Christmas tree. I guess that's what the CT meant. Christmas tree. The one would be for the blade. The pattern 072. Now that makes sense. And on the back of the knife, It says tested XX CT107. So maybe you guys can help me out because I'm not sure exactly if there should be any dots underneath or not. There's something underneath the XX on the wing, but I can't tell what it is. Let's see. I have no idea. Maybe you guys can help me date it. That would be great. I know it's probably pretty old, 80s at least. Let's listen to the snap. Holy cow. And she is hard to open. Got paw prints all over it. What do y'all think of this one? Did I do good? I'm excited to have it in my collection. Let's get a screenshot of it, then I'll let you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. This is a quick one on a Saturday morning. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please subscribe. That would help me immensely. God bless each and every one of y'all. I'm out.